In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background colors on Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to fine-tune your colors so your sections look polished and on brand. Start in your Squarespace workspace with the site you want to edit open. Make sure you're viewing the page and the specific section whose background you'd like to change. Seeing the content in place helps you pick a color that works with your images and text. If you land on the style area first, that's okay. You'll still make the change within the section editor. Once you're on the right page, hover over the section and choose Edit Section. This opens the section settings panel on the left side of the screen. The section editor is where Squarespace controls layout, spacing, and, importantly for us, the background. In the section settings, click Background. You'll see the current background option. This might be a solid color, an image with an overlay, or a gradient depending on how the section was set up. Select the background that's in use so you're editing the right element. Next, open its settings by clicking the small settings icon. This reveals the color controls. Here, you can pick from your site's color palette or use the color picker for a custom choice. If your section uses an image or video, you'll often see an overlay color and opacity slider. Adjusting those lets you shift the overall tone without replacing the media. For solid backgrounds, choose the exact shade you want and watch the preview update in real time. If your brand already has a defined palette in Squarespace, sticking to those swatches keeps your site cohesive. As you fine-tune, keep readability front and center. Aim for strong contrast between your background and any text or buttons in the section. Dark backgrounds typically pair well with light text, and vice versa. If something feels hard to read, nudge the color slightly brighter or darker, or adjust the overlay opacity until the content stands out. Take a quick look at mobile and tablet previews to confirm the color feels right across devices. The same shade can look different on smaller screens. When you're happy with the result, apply your changes using the on-screen option to finish editing. That's it. You've changed the background color for that section. Repeat the same process on any other sections that need an update, and keep your choices consistent for a clean, professional look throughout your site.